Welcome. If you've ever come across an account on Instagram that's breaking the rules or making you feel uncomfortable, it's important to know how to report them quickly and safely. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to report someone on Instagram so you can help keep the platform safe for everyone. First, open the Instagram app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, head over to the profile of the account you want to report. You can do this by searching their username or tapping their name if you see them in your feed or comments. When you're on their profile page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. Tap on those. This opens up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on the option that says Report. Instagram will then ask you what you want to report. Choose Report Account to let Instagram know that your concern is about the entire account, not just a specific post or comment. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for your report. Instagram provides several options, such as it's posting content that shouldn't be on Instagram, it's pretending to be someone else, or it may be underage. Choose the reason that best matches your concern. After you've selected a reason, Instagram will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These might include additional questions or requests for more details, depending on the reason you chose. Follow the instructions carefully to complete your report. Once you've finished, Instagram will review your report and take action if necessary. Remember, your report is anonymous, so the person you're reporting won't know it was you. Taking a moment to report harmful or suspicious accounts helps protect the Instagram community. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on staying safe and getting the most out of your social media experience.